Hi guys, this is the unboxing and review of Fly Pop S220. This Fly handset comes with a stylish slider, auto pop-up screen. The main features are dual SIM, GSM plus GSM, 2.2-inch color screen, 1000 mAh battery, 1.3 MP camera with flash, audio player, video player and recorder, wireless FM radio, Bluetooth with A to DP and GPRS WAP supported. A micro SD card up to 32 GB is supported. This also comes with torchlight and remote mobile tracker. Okay, this is the Fly Pop S220 handset. This handset looks a bit bulky with 16.6 mm thickness. This is the camera and the speaker, the charging port and audio jack. In the box pack you have the power adapter, USB power adapter, the headphones and the USB cable. This is the Fly warranty card. The user manual, this is the battery, 1000 mAh battery. These are the contents of the box pack. This is the Fly battery, 1000 mAh. The S220 with alphanumeric keypad, the power slot, 3.5 mm jack. The silver button you'll find on either sides, nothing on the top. 1.3 MP camera, speaker, the Fly logo. Well, that's it. It's a bulky handset, but you get a good grip. You see these two buttons on either sides. You press it simultaneously and the screen pops up. That is why it's called Pop. Close it, press the button simultaneously, it pops up. This is the unique feature. Okay, now we'll insert the SIM card. I'm opening up the back cover. As you can see here, this is SIM 2, that is SIM 1, and this is the micro SD card slot. I'm putting the SIM card in slot SIM slot 1, the battery, and the cover back. Press the button to reveal the 2.2-inch screen. Now I'm going to switch on the power. Okay, the phone is on now. The logo, and that's it. You can see the Airtel signal. Press the button to reveal the 2.2-inch screen. There are 4 navigational buttons and 4 shortcut buttons and 4 buttons on the sides. 2 for SIM 2, 1 for SIM 1, menu and power. The alphanumeric keypad, the key lock, torchlight, close the lid and the keypad will automatically lock. The menu options, organizer, multimedia, phone book, call history, file manager, Fly store, Fly buzz, settings. In settings, phone settings, dual SIM settings. Now I'm just using SIM 1. You have security settings, now this is the phone book. the audio player, FM radio, the 1.3 MP camera, smart auto call record, anti-theft feature, Bluetooth. Press the button to enable the torch light. The GPRS counter, file manager. You can choose from English or Hindi language. So basically this is the phone, the Pop S220, a dual SIM, low cost, fly mobile phone.